Hello traders, I've purposely named this playlist Technical Analysis for Everyone. I truly believe that this subject is something that everyone can understand and use for their own benefit towards passive income. My intention is to add a video every week so that over a span of time, you get a full set of videos, content, via which you will be able to understand the basics of technical analysis as a subject. Starting with the very first video, this one I'm going to talk to you about what is the cornerstone philosophy of technical analysis. What is this subject all about? So point number one is we are talking about financial assets, financial markets. It can be stocks of companies, it can be currencies and commodities, it can be cryptocurrencies as well. So they get traded in an exchange. People are buying, people are selling, so there is demand and supply and prices go up and down. These creates big bull markets or bear markets, and at times there are sideways markets. So there's a market, there is a commodity, there is an instrument that gets traded, and that's why it goes up and down. How do I analyze this? How do I make sense out of it? How do I know which one should I buy? How do I know at which price should I buy? And if I've bought something, how do I know at which price should I sell and come out of it? So there has to be some kind of a study, which means there has to be some kind of an analysis. And so technical analysis is that subject which helps us to understand the price behavior. Is technical analysis the only subject? Okay, no. There are fundamental analysis which talks about the company. There is technical analysis, that's my field, which talks about the price behavior, and it can be done in other fields of analysis. There can be quants, there can be use of astrological elements as well, but technical analysis is the subject of price behavior. So let me take you to my notepad. So I have this here which will help me to share with you and make you understand what exactly am I talking about. So I just spoke about that there is a marketplace, okay? This is, let's say, a marketplace where something is getting traded. Let's say stocks, Reliance Industries, Tata Steel, Tata Motors. And there is a buyer and there is a seller. A buyer will always want to buy at a lower price. A seller will always want to sell at a higher price. A buyer will come to the market and ask, he will create a bid. A seller will say that I'm asking for this price. So there's a game of bid and ask. There's always a pull and push between these buyers and sellers. This transaction, this behavior creates what I like to call is the discovery of price or price discovery. Something got sold, and at that same point of time, something got bought at a price. And if both of us record this, maintain a data, who got traded at what price, at what quantity, at what place, and if we maintain this data, can we project this data in terms of a picture? And if the answer is yes, so let's say if we take a vertical plane and a horizontal plane, a two-dimensional situation. If I say on the left hand side, I will take price, then on a certain date, will I not be able to plot a price? And as the days goes forward, can I not, if I'm recording the price, will I not have these dots? And then if I join them, will I not have a price behavior? This, my friend, is a price chart. A price chart. And this is the core of the subject of technical analysis. What we are going to do is essentially open these price charts, which are plotted against time and price, and try and figure out from these charts what has happened in the past, and based on that we will try and figure out what is the probability of what can happen in the future. If our analysis tells us that it is likely to go up, we will be more on the buying side. If our analysis tells us no, it's gone up too much, it can come down, so we will avoid. So the subject, my friend, technical analysis, at its core is the subject of price. Price is discovered from buying and selling, that is demand and supply, and that's exactly what we are going to do. And for that, we are going to look at a simple chart. Now, there are various different types of charts that I'll take up in my next video with the help of the TradingView software. I'll show you what are the basic key types of charts that one can look at.